Are you someone who carries a laptop or a phone with you all the time? Someone who finds scrolling through your phone and laptop to be really exhausting for no apparent reason? Well, in today's video, we're going to show you a new and fresh approach that will assist you in earning money online, and that includes viewing videos. We understand that you've done a lot of these types of methods on earning money online, but what we're going to show you today is completely fresh, and we have no doubt that you will like it as much as we do. Take a peek at all of the folks who have already benefited from our revolutionary technique, and you're going to become one of them right now if you watch this video till the end. This method that I'll show you today is accessible worldwide. Even if you are on the other side of the world, you can still do this. You only need a smartphone or a laptop to start off. You don't need any special skills or past experiences, and a beginner can do this and can earn money right away. And have I told you that this method is 100% free? You don't need to pay for any subscription to start with this method. All you need is to invest a little bit of your time and energy, and you are good to go. Let me remind you that this method will not make you a millionaire overnight. You still need to work hard and devote part of your time to this method. But considering that this method is free, then this is totally worth it. Despite the fact that this is not something that you can do for a long period of time or consider as a profession, it is still a fantastic side business or something that can help you get through the tough times when you're in a desperate need of some additional income, no matter how old you are. To avoid being confused about today's strategy, make sure you watch the full video from beginning to end. Also, be certain that you do not skip any sections in order to avoid missing any important information. Why? Because if you overlook critical details, the probability is that you will not get the desired results. Now, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. To start off, go to youtube.com. I know every one of you is familiar with this website. This is one of the most popular websites to date, and millions of people use this site to watch videos each day. The first thing that you want to do when you go to this website is to sign in. You can do that by clicking on the sign in icon in the upper right corner of the website. It will then redirect you to the browser to this website where you will be prompted to enter your Gmail account. If you do not have a Gmail account, creating one is super easy. You can just click that Create an Account button right here and sign up. On the left side of the website, after signing up to your account, you can see an Explore option right over here. I want you to click on it and it should show you some categories to choose from. You should select gaming, and then you can now see all gaming related videos on YouTube. Now, the next thing that you should do is choose any game that you would like. It doesn't really matter whatever game you select, as long as it's the one that has the large number of people playing and is also well known in the gaming community. Now, just leave it at that for the meantime, and we will go to the next website where you will be able to earn money there. This website is called 7r6.com, and it should look like this. How do you earn money on this website? It's very simple. Let me show you the step-by-step process. First, you are required to create an account on this website. Then you can shorten links on this website and share it to people. And lastly, each time your link is visited or clicked by a user, you earn money. See, super simple, and it does not require a whole lot of effort. If we go to the publisher rate section of this website, we can see how much money you can earn from people in different countries. If people from Canada, UK, US, and Australia click your account, you can earn $3. And for people from other countries not listed here, you get a fixed rate of $2. Now imagine thousands of people clicking your link per day. You can earn thousands of dollars in just a single day. How crazy is that? On the payment proof option, you can see real people cashing out their earnings using this website. You can see that they range from around $5 up to $20 in a single day. You must be thinking, how can you earn money just by clicking links? Now, this is because when a person clicks on the shortened link that you have created using this website, they will not be immediately sent to the link right away. Instead, they will be brought to a page with advertisements, and these advertisements last for about 5 to 10 seconds before they can proceed to the main website. These ads are from big brands who collaborated with 7R6 to increase more engagements for their products and services. They will pay the website a huge amount, and a portion of that payment will be paid to you. That is how all of these works. If you want more information about this website, you can just go over the homepage and scroll down, and there you will see all the information that you need. In the next part of this video, I will show you how to sign up for an account on 7r6.com and how you can maximize your earnings by sharing your links to specific forums or blog posts. So stay tuned. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. To register for an account, look at the upper right section of the website and find the sign up option right here. If you have found it, I want you to click on it and it will lead you to a new page where you will need to fill out the registration form. You only need to put in your username, email, and password. Agree to the terms of use and privacy policy and click register. As simple as that. Once you have signed in on the website, you can see your personal dashboard where you can monitor your total views and total earnings in real time. You can also shorten your link here when you click this option. To share your link, we go back to YouTube and pick any video that you want to share. For example, let's pick this video. Then just copy the link and paste it here and click shorten. You will now see the shortened link at the bottom. You can shorten tons of links at a time, and tip here is to shorten at least 4 to 5 links to save your time. Another tip that we can give you is to find live videos, since live videos give you a better result than pre-recorded videos. To filter live videos on YouTube, just click on the live tab right here and choose live videos which have tons of viewers. You can then copy the link of that video and shorten it on 7r6.com. Now that you are familiar with it, let's start sharing your link. We can share it to different gaming forums or websites, but we will show you the top websites where you can share it to. The first website is steamcommunity.com. This is a website on everything about gaming. You see tons of people interacting on this website each day, and this is a perfect website to create traffic for your link. The second website is mood.us. This is another gaming website where people share their experiences and anything about different games. You can just create a new post here and share your link. And that's all there is to it. Now let's summarize everything you should do. First, go to YouTube and search for popular and trending gaming videos. Second, go to 7r6.com, create an account, and shorten the links of the videos that you have chosen on YouTube. And third, share your link on gaming websites and forums such as Steam Community and mood.us. And lastly, earn money. It is that simple and easy to do. It will only take a fraction of your time, and you can do it again and again with the same results. So what are you waiting for? Start today and earn lots of money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.